Hi, welcome to Mitch's World of Woods. American Whitewood, also known as Tulipwood, Canary Wood and Poplar. Not to be confused with the softwood known as Whitewood, American Whitewood is a hardwood originating from eastern Canada and the United States. Mature examples can grow to around 40 metres in height with a breast height diameter of about 2¼ metres. Timber is straight-grained with regular fine texture. The heartwood is pale straw brown, usually streaked in darker tones. Sapwood is creamy white. Bark is grey with shallow, even ridges, pale orange-brown towards the end of its life. A cone-shaped or column-shaped narrow-domed crown when young ages to a many-domed crown when older. Crown is open in the winter and dense with leaves in the summer. It's regularly branched with buttressed low branches of mature trees curving up to the vertical. Leaves are about 5 to 7 inches, four-lobed with an indented truncate end. They're rich green on top side, yellowish green with white veins underneath. It has medium crushing strength, low bending strength, stiffness and impact resistance, moderate steam bending classification, dries easily with low risk of checking or warping, has good dimensional stability, is not durable, and has specific gravity averaging 0.51. It's easy to work with hand or machine tools, easily planed to a very smooth finish, chops and bores well, nails, screws and glues well, stains, polishes and paints well. Its uses include interior joinery and fittings, pattern making, carving and sculpture, cabinetry, internal doors, toys, plywood, pallets and decorative veneers. It's neither CITES listed or appearing on the IUCN Red List. If you like it, share it, and why not follow me on Patreon and other social media. Cheerio! Can you help me build my world of woods? If you've got a sample of wood which isn't commonly imported or sold in the UK that you can let me have, it'd be great to hear from you.